Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you looking to get started with some homemade bread making? If so, you may want to consider this set from S&K Essentials. This is a complete bread set that will give you everything that you need. It comes with a linen bread bag, 2 proofing bowls or Banneton bowls made of wicker, as well as a scoring tool and a bread scraper. I really like this set because as someone that is new to baking, it comes with everything that you need. The bowls both come with covers, so you have an option to put these in as an insert. That way you don't have to have the scoring marks on your bread from the basket. However, you can also use them on top. That way you can let your bread rise and have it covered. I also love that it came with a scoring tool, so you can get that traditional bread look when you take your bread out of the oven. It looks absolutely gorgeous. The bread bag is great because it's multifunctional as well. You can use it to store all of this equipment and keep it all together, or you can use it to actually store your bread, and it keeps it fresh. We did try it out. Being able to have everything in one set is great for beginner, experienced bakers, as well as offering this as a really cute housewarming gift to someone or whatever you would like. I love being able to make all of my bread at home using this set, and that's my point of view.